What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Finance Fix, where we break down the best tips for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Today, we're talking about something everyone's interested in: side hustles. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or save up for something big, I've got 5 awesome side hustles that are perfect to start this year. Let's dive in. All right, kicking off the list with freelancing. If you have a skill, writing, graphic design, video editing, programming, you can offer it as a freelance service on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even LinkedIn. Companies are always looking for help, and the best part, you set your rates and work hours. For beginners, it might start small, but as you build your portfolio, you could be making a few hundred or even a few $1,000s a month. Next up, we've got print on demand. This one's perfect if you're creative or even if you just have clever ideas. Print on demand lets you design t-shirts, mugs, and more without needing inventory. Sites like Printful and Teespring handle the printing and shipping for you. You just upload your designs, set a price, and when someone orders, the platform takes care of the rest. It's a low-risk way to create your own brand. Coming in at number 3, online tutoring. If you're good at a subject, math, science, English, whatever, there are students who'd love your help. With platforms like VIP Kid or Chegg Tutors, you can teach people from all over the world. You get to set your schedule, and the pay is pretty good, especially for in-demand subjects. If you're a student yourself, this could be a great way to earn money while helping others. All right, side hustle number 4, social media management. Businesses are always looking to boost their online presence. And if you know your way around Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can help them out. Reach out to local businesses or check freelance platforms for opportunities. With a bit of creativity and consistency, you could charge clients a few $100s a month for managing their social media accounts. Not a bad gig, right? And last but not least, delivery services. Apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart let you earn money by delivering food or groceries. The best part? You can choose when and where you want to work, and the pay adds up fast, especially if you're in a busy area. Plus, you'll get tips too. This is an especially good option if you already drive a lot or have free time in the evenings. So there you have it, my top 5 side hustles to start this year. Remember, the key to any side hustle is consistency. Stick with it, keep learning, and before you know it, you could be making a solid income on the side. Which of these side hustles are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Finance Fix for more tips on money, investing, and making the most of your finances. Until next time, keep grinding and let's build that wealth.